YouTube, how's it going? So I got a few things that I need to do to the Honda today, so let's get it started.
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world.
So I got the car jacked up so I can start doing the suspension in the rear. I have a whole new set of coils. Then I can replace this and those. Maybe that'll help my steering issue. But now I'm going to start doing the fuel pump. So I don't know how much you guys are going to be able to see. I have the other camera up there to point down, and I'll try to communicate what I'm doing to try to help you guys out.
Yeah, I feel every day is just the same, stuck in a loop. I need some variety.
These to the side, 4 bolts, or 4 screws. Holy crap, that's dirty. Alright, let me go get my shop vac to clean some of this shit up. Now before you take all bolts out, the last 2, take this one out. So here's the old crusty dusty fuel filter. Holy shit. This thing is terrible. I wonder if I could clean it up before I put in the new pump. Did I say filter? I meant pump. But this is the old fuel pump. Damn. Alright guys, so this is a brand new pump that I'm putting in. Let's see how bad this thing is. Let's see if I can take it off. Holy shit. That was in my tank.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I feel like just breaking it off. I'm not using any of this shit again. Or anymore.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
No, I'm not showing you guys. But it is a tight space. Let's try to pull this shit off. I'm trying to get this clip right here.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit,
This thing is on there, guys.
then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Jesus Christ. there we go. Let me wash my hands and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna try to hit it with some rust or some WD-40 and some sandpaper. Get off a little bit of something at least. So I really don't want this to go back in my tank looking like that.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance.
Sorry guys if you're not seeing this. Alright, next. Let's throw this shit over to the side, side. Let's get hose clamps. On here. Of course it's gonna be a flathead. I don't have a fucking flathead, but it's fine. I have something like a flathead. And it has to go into here. That's as far up as you can get it. And check here. And you cut about an inch off. So I have a problem. Blocks sent me the wrong filter. See how this is super long? Yeah, that doesn't fit. I can't get it down that hole, so I'm gonna have to use the old one for temporary. Now let's try to get this back in there.
Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues. I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you. Just go get your own tissue.
I knew this gasket was gonna give me a hard time the second I seen it. There we go. Alright. So now let's get two of these bolts. Cinch this thing down. This fucking hose over here, bitch ass hose. Wish Honda thought, hey, people are gonna work on their cars. Let's make this a little bit easier. Seems like they tried, failed miserably, because, oh fuck, where'd you put that like that? If I could persuade it on with this. Go, go, Power Rangers! Alright, that one's done. Then, this big boy right here goes back in here. One on the bottom, one on the top.
The end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid.
This back on all the way. Now it's time to test start the car. Alright. So let's try to do this. Prime the pump. I don't see any leaks. I hear the pump though. See any leaks back there? That thing's fucking rattling. But anyways. Alright, the Honda's back to running. Alright guys, so that's all I'm doing today. At least I got the fuel pump done. There's a couple more things I wanted to get done before the sun went down, like change the suspension, because I want to get it back to a good riding height, because I do need to bring it somewhere to get the car tuned. And since everything's gonna be up on jack stands, I can start the transmission. Since I only have 1 day a week, I could do all this stuff on. Now that my mom's out of town, I only have Wednesdays. So yeah, so far this is where we're at. So we have the trans, $200, the turbo kit, $600. I got the clutch in, $500. I'm waiting on the pedals. I got the fuel pump. Next will be tune and injectors. All right guys, stay tuned to watch the budget build. Later.